Okay, so today we're looking at going from a percentage. Now, why can't this thing write? Let's write in blue. From a percentage so that to a fraction. Now, this is really simple. Simple because a percentage is always out of 100. Okay, we know that. So if we've got, for instance, 35%, okay, so they say, here you go, 35%. We know that it's 35 over 100. If it was 6%, it would be 6 over 100. The denominator will always be 100, okay? What's important though is that you then simplify this as much as possible. Now I've shown you how to do it in your calculator, so make sure, get your calculator out, make sure you know how to do that so that you can bring it down to the lowest and you can go equals 7 over 20, because that is going to give you your final mark. You have to bring that down to as low as it can go, okay? Otherwise you don't get all the marks. So that would be, say, out of 2 marks, if you got that, you'd only get 1. So make sure you know how to do your bringing down. Okay, cool bananas. Let's do the next one.